Turning your engine 32V25 engine turn. Engine is turning good. Compressor here is good, no damage, no broken. Power steering pump here look good, no problem. Everything from this side is look good. On top from this side all sockets in good conditions. The turbo from this side also good, didn't see any damages. All the sockets in good conditions. The turbo no problem, very nice, very good. And down here the starter inside here also look good, no problem, no damage. Same as well the alternator here, very nice, very good. And down here the oil sump, gearbox, very nice. And the engine is turning good.